Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook profile lock option not showing. The lock option is a Facebook feature that allows users to lock their accounts, which makes their account private from those users who are not their friends on the platform. Everyone on the platform has this feature, so if you don't have one, then worry no more, because I'm here to show you how you can fix this. First thing that you'll need to do is to open the app on your device and make sure that you're signed into your account. Now on the app, click on the menu button and here click on help and support. Under it, you'll find the report a problem button. So click on this report a problem button and click on the continue to report a problem. Now you'll need to wait for this to load to get redirected into the page where you can elaborate the problem you're facing using the platform. And here you need to select the product of Meta where you're encountering a problem. And since we're encountering a problem on the profile lock option, we'll just click on the profile product under this list. Now in this area, you'll need to explain that you don't have the profile lock option in your account and you want it to be available on your account. Once you're done on explaining the problem that you're encountering on the platform, you just can go ahead and click on the send button at the upper right corner of your screen. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a like and subscribe to keep updated with our latest videos.